Hey guys, this is John Rabuk, and I'm going to today show you a simple introduction to delegates. So what are delegates? Delegates are basically references, pointers to other methods. Okay, so let's start with creating a console application. Project, file, new project. So from here you have to choose Windows Desktop and a console application. Now you can name it. I'm going to say Delegates Tutorial 1 and save it. Great. In console applications, your application is run within the program class in the void main function, but I'm going to be putting my other classes here in the same namespace. In this short video, I want to create a small media storage class. And this media storage class will be responsible for reporting if the media is playing correct. Now you can have different types of media. Say you have an audio player and a video player, right? And we want to check this media storage class if these media players are playing successfully or not. But the thing is, if you reference these classes directly from the media storage, then you will be creating coupling situation. We will use delegates as function references to reduce decoupling and resolving this issue. So let's start by creating the media storage class in our media storage class. First, let's declare our delegate. Now, our delegate is of integer type, and it does not take any parameters. So, any function that matches the signature, we should be able to encapsulate that using the delegate. Meaning the function needs to return integer type, and it should not have parameters. Media storage class has a result function that actually checks whether the media played successfully or not. You see, IntelliSense has already given us the delegate function name, and now we're passing a delegate into this function. This delegate, this reference, stands for a function that we define in a different class. If the function is returning 0, the function that we pass into report result is returning 0 means the media played successfully. Anything else means the media is not playing successfully. So you have your video, if it's playing successfully, it should return 0. If not, then there's a problem. Same as for your audio class. We will implement them in a second. let's create a audio player class that deals with the audio player and audios. This class will have a private field, that integer field that stores the status of the player, which is for storing if it plays successfully or not. And the method play audio file. Now if you see, this method is not taking any parameters. Okay, it has an integer return type and it doesn't take any parameters. So this method matches the delegate type. Returns integer, no parameters. Now we played the audio, it's successful, we assign the value 0 to its field and return audio player status, and this function will return audio player status. In a real application, of course, there will be a lot more methods for an audio player class, but for this example we'll keep it simple. We just need one function to know the status. Now let's create a video player class. Our video player has a private field, video player status, and a public method play video file. Again, this has a one integer and it returns integer and doesn't take any parameters, so it matches the signature for the delegate. Now in this case, the video player status is -1, meaning the video failed to play. And now let's return the video player status. Okay. Let's have a class tester. We will run the program through this class tester, and we will instantiate our delegate. And then we will encapsulate these methods within that part. We will run the program through the run method. So media storage, let's instantiate our media storage class. Media now let's instantiate audio player and media player classes. Now it's time to instantiate the delegates. inside the delegate, we will pass the function, the audio play audio file function from the audio player class. Now we're going to do the same thing for the video player. Now let's call the delegates after instantiating them. As you can see, we instantiate the classes first, then we encapsulated these methods of these classes in the delegates we created, audio player delegate, video player delegate, and we encapsulate those methods, and we actually call the delegates. We pass the delegate as a parameter into the report result function. Now let's instantiate the run method. Let's call the run method. Of the tester class. As you can see, simulating playing an audio file, so it's first audio file is play audio file is called, and media plays successfully. Well, thanks for watching, and let me know if you have any questions. Bye.